Hi everybody, this is Fred. Yeah, just sitting at my computer desk here. This the new screen with a monitor. And over here is the computer. The name of it you can see is Alienware. It's about 4 in the morning. I've been sitting there playing a hunting game. Yeah, just my little messy desktop. You can see it got me Yahoos, and these are the memories, the RAM. Y'all want to read up on it and see DDR4. Yep, and the speed of it. I really can't use these into the Alienware computer. I'll turn it around here. I was thinking about getting another power supply for this here and get some more RAM. Let's see if I can turn this around here without breaking it. Y'all see the computer itself. There's some latches. I don't think that fan is even on. It's not even moving. So I took the cover off. I'm testing out this hard drive here. It has a hard drive in there, but I got it unplugged. It's a serial hard drive. But I have this one here. It's 2 terabytes. The one that's in there is 2 terabytes. Down here at the bottom. Here down at the bottom, I have 2 other little storage into it. But I think the power supply is not working. I think just certain parts of it. I don't understand it. It's like a little 430. And that's what it is. It's Alienware. It's a R9 series. It's an i7 processor chip. And this here opens. Just open. So you can see inside. I've only got 2 memories, RAMs over there. Those are just only 16 gigabytes. It has 2 more slots. I think you can hold a total of 128 gigabytes of RAM memory. It has a GeForce. If I can see it there. It's a G4 RTX right there. GeForce RTX graphics card. The fan is going. It's the extra little memories, little storage into it. And I see inside there that I can add more memory. Open that up all the way here. Open it up all the way. Okay, it's all the way open. I was looking inside everything. You see the memory slots. Those RAM I have, I tried them in there, and it don't work. And I looked on the internet, and there's a place that has RAM port. It seemed like it's a propriety type of RAM. It's just certain companies that has their own. And the fan up there, there's a fan. It has like a little, I call it the ceiling fan. It's not I'm going to replace those fans. And then there's one right down there. See it turning. And I'm going to replace the fans. I had the side cover off so it doesn't get hot. I looked on the internet and they say that these, like, it doesn't have good airflow, so I'm going to change the fans. Yeah, just looking at how I got it plugged up. Everything on the top, I'm going to make it to where it has, some breathing room. New fans, from what I've read on the internet on it, and they saying, that's HyperX, is Kingston HyperX, and it's only got 16 gigabytes of RAM in it, installed in it now. So just letting y'all have a good look inside the computer. I'm going to change out some things. This power supply, probably might say it on the bottom or something. Or I don't see, it probably might be covered up or something. But yeah, see that little button is supposed to be a test, but you see it's not, fan is not turning. But there's nothing really getting hot, it just, I don't like the way it is. So I'm going to replace the fan, probably put a 750 in it, but I am going to add some more memory. And one thing, this computer right here, it does not have a CD-RW tray, like if you want to play your games. It has no tray. It has all, like for your headphones and speakers. Get the light on it just right. You got the USBs, and then you got a speaker or your headphone, some USBs. Yeah, but it does not have a tray. That, like, if you want to play a game, like, let me show you here. I want to install. Well, I'm not on the internet with this computer, but I would want to, like, install Adobe Photoshop. Yeah, that Adobe Photoshop. The Adobe Photoshop and those there, but it doesn't have a tray. So I'm not like, like the smartest technology about, like, how am I going to install Photoshop? My computer is not on the internet. I don't have it on the internet. The only internet I have is just my phone. So that's what R9 Alienware looks like. I believe it's made by Dell, the company Dell. So HDMI cables, the mouse, and the keyboard, and the graphics card. Yeah, but it's just not doing what it's supposed to be doing. Not doing what it's supposed to be doing. So here's the end of the cable. Goes down there into the graphics slot. Turn it over. I dropped my phone. Drop my light. Drop my flashlight. Make sure it's in the right one. Okay. See, now that is plugged in. What I just plugged in is that one. Right there. That's plugged into like the card. See the card itself? That cable there. That cable is plugged into the video card. I guess when I turn it around it came loose. But that's it. The computer, the power of it, this processor is i7. I think it's a 3.0. What do you call it? Megahertz or whatever. You know, the speed of the chip itself is i7, but it's 3.0. So that's just a little look at the computer. Yeah, it's Alienware. Like I said, Alienware R9. And I've looked it up on the internet about, yeah, just what it's about, most of the reviews and what it needs, and yeah, the memory, yeah, the memory modules do not, yeah, those memory modules right here, upside down for your head. Those memory models, these are Corsair. Says it on there that y'all look at it good, but those there do not work in this computer. It just does not. Something about the timing, the voltage of it or something. I looked it up, and I looked up 2 places that has the right memory for it and stuff. So it's more memory, and have to order a external drive, and I can plug it into the back. You know, it's a USB. I can do it probably from the front USB. It's got a little flash drive in there where I was playing a game. And so this is just what it's all about. Except I can close the cover back. So that's what it's all about there. On the top, it needs another fan, a more high performance fan. Yeah, and the power supply, you can see the fan's not turning. I'm keeping the side cover off. I haven't had a problem. I've had it on for about a week off and on, just checking things out. So that's what it's about. Alienware R9 i7 computer chip 3.0 speed on that. So just hope you like the video. Just my little review of it. It does need another power supply. I believe this one here is only a 430 or 450. And if you're going to upgrade with faster, more cooling fans, and yeah, and some more memory, like I'm just going to put about 64 gigabytes of memory. It has 2 terabyte hard drives in there, plus those at the bottom there. If I can slide one out and show it to you right quick. Maybe not. What the heck? Well, it won't come out. It should come out. Huh. But this one will. This one come out. All right. Let you see. Western Digital. See there. Solid state. No, it's 1 terabyte. I thought it was 2, my bad. So I have 2 of these in there, and the other one is a 1 terabyte. And this hard drive, yeah, I'm not I'm not doing no fake stuff on here, so you can see it there. Capacity 2 terabytes. 2, 3, 4, and counting that one up there. I don't believe it'll hold 6. I got that one unplugged. You can see I have that unplugged, and I'm testing out this one. So I'm doing a quick, letting y'all have a little quick look at the Alienware R9. I'm not on the internet with it. So thought I'd show you that right quick. So thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day and find you a good game to play. I was sitting there playing my hunting game. I got it installed, but I had to use this other hard drive because it's where my hunting game is. And so I just happened to plug it in, and it's playing. So thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Whoa, starting to rain out there. So thanks for watching, y'all. Have a good day and count your points, 'cause they add up. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.